Well, I would say, why are you against animal cruelty?
Well, first of all, no one wants to see something suffer unnecessarily.
I would like to briefly ask Charlie Kirk if one of the largest meta-analyses has established that people who live vegan can live perfectly without health issues. Is it still necessary to consume animal products?
By what moral standard do you derive that from?
Well, are you against animal cruelty?
Of course I am. No one wants cruelty. In fact, the Bible is explicitly against animal cruelty. And so all of us should be. And the animals actually made an appearance in the Ten Commandments. Animals got a Sabbath. They got a day off. It says, for 6 days you shall work and 1 day you shall rest, including your ox and your animal. So the Bible actually has done more for animal rights than any other ancient scripture that we can ever find. So I'm all there. No one wants animal cruelty. However, I just want to understand, by what moral framework do you say it is immoral to eat the meat of something that is not human?
Of course, you will find some vitamins and minerals in every diet that can be deficient. If we look at this review that analyzed 141 studies, it concluded that vegans, when well informed and supplemented, can achieve adequate nutritional status. While certain micronutrients such as vitamin B12, calcium and iodine were lower in vegans, other nutrients such as fiber, folate, vitamin C and E and magnesium were higher. It emphasizes the importance of education, fortified foods, and supplementation to maintain a balanced diet. For some of these nutrients, such as vitamin D and calcium, a risk of insufficient intake was also found in meat eaters. If you truly believe it is out of necessity, do you not believe in our science at all? In that case, you can never use any argument based on scientific studies ever again. Furthermore, meat eaters should also consider taking supplements, particularly vitamin D and calcium, to avoid potential deficiencies. So, that was it for today. See you in one of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.